Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. The holidays are such a beautiful time of year, full of family, memories, and traditions. But let's be honest, they can also bring a little extra stress. Between the busy schedules, high expectations, and endless to-do lists, it's easy to lose sight of gratitude and peace. So today I wanted to help you slow down and breathe. We're talking about essential oils for stress and gratitude, plus a few simple mindsets and lifestyle practices to help you stay grounded and joyful through the season. Now, when life feels hectic, it's easy for our emotions to follow the chaos. And that's why emotional wellness is so important, especially during the holidays. Now, I like to remind myself that peace isn't found in the absence of busy, it's actually found in the middle of it, but only when we choose mindfulness and gratitude. So here's a simple daily practice you can try. Morning gratitude and mindful breathing. So before your day begins, place a drop of balance or frankincense in your palms and inhale deeply by taking 2 deep breaths. Then let that aroma ground you. Then name 3 things you're grateful for, big or small. And if you journal, take this exercise a step further and write it down. Now, this short routine takes less than 2 minutes, but it sets your emotional tone for the whole day. I notice a huge difference in my day when I take time to do this, so hopefully you will see the difference it makes too. Now, here's a mindset tip. When you catch yourself feeling rushed or overwhelmed, pause and repeat an affirmation like this. I choose peace in this moment, or I'm grateful for what matters most. Now, these gentle reminders help redirect your energy and calm your nervous system. Now, let's talk about some of my favorite oils for this time of year. First is balance, and it's the grounding blend. This warm, woody aroma helps create a calming, quieting environment as you move through the day. And I love diffusing it in the morning or applying it to the back of my neck before starting my day. And next is Serenity, and it's known as the restful blend. It supports relaxation and better sleep. So 30 minutes before bedtime, try adding a few drops to your temples, the back of the neck, your wrists, or diffusing it while you journal at night. And then there's wild orange. Now, this oil is like sunshine in a bottle. It uplifts your mood, promotes joy, and helps you shift into gratitude when stress creeps in. And I love pairing it with balance. The combo of grounding and uplifting is amazing. And lastly is frankincense, the king of oil, perfect for mindfulness and connection. And I like to use it during prayer, meditation, or gratitude journaling. Now, here's a simple roller bottle blend you can make. There's 5 drops of balance, 5 drops of serenity, 5 drops of wild orange, and 3 drops of frankincense. And you fill the rest of the 10 ml roller bottle with fractionated coconut oil. Now you can apply it to your wrists, over your heart, or behind your ears when you need a moment of calm or gratitude. And it's the perfect holiday peace blend. Now let's add a mindset practice to pair with your oils. Gratitude journaling. Now each evening, roll on your blend, take a deep breath, and write down 3 good things that happened that day. Or one practice that I picked up is write down as many wins as possible. It's also known as AMWAP. Now, these wins don't have to be big, but this is a great way to end the day on a positive note and improve your self-perception. The goal is to train your brain to notice moments of joy and calm even on busy days. Now, you can also try the joy list, which is once a week. Write down 5 things that bring you joy. Then intentionally plan to do 1 or 2 of them in the coming days. It's a gentle reminder to you to fill your cup with peace and happiness too. And of course, your emotional balance is supported by how you care for your body. Now, here are a few unique lifestyle tips that help keep me grounded through the holidays. Number one is nourish your body with whole foods. Minimize processed foods on your plate. Whole foods support your body's immune system and natural stress response. Number two, take mindful movement breaks. Even a 5-minute walk outside with wild orange on your wrist can reset your energy. Number three, create calm through your senses. Diffuse your favorite oils during dinner, play soft music, or use an essential oil applied topically. Now, these sensory cues tell your body it's okay to relax. Remember, friends, you don't have to do everything perfectly this season. It's okay to slow down, to breathe, and savor the little moments. And when you choose gratitude, you shift your energy, and that's where peace and joy truly live. Now, if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little calm this holiday season. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you're grateful for this week? Let us know in the comments. I read every one of them and I love celebrating gratitude together. Until next time, take a deep breath, use your oils, and keep choosing joy.